Hey everybody, welcome back to Snack Time. I'm Dan. So today we're going to be making bacon rolls. It's a really simple recipe. The recipe will be in the description box below. So for this, it's really simple. I'm only going to do half the recipe. All you're going to do is you're going to take 4 strips of bacon, put them on your pan, and then you're going to take peanut butter, spread it out on the bacon strips, and then broil it in the oven. It's actually spreading out a lot easier than what I thought it would. Now after you spread your peanut butter, you're just going to roll them up like so. Take a toothpick, boom. Again, roll it, toothpick, boom. So again, just roll it, take your toothpick, boom, and repeat. Boom! Now, into the broiler. Now you're just gonna broil it till the bacon is cooked through, and I don't know, just gonna have to watch it. So we'll be right back. All right, everybody, so it's been about, 10 minutes or so. So they're done. So let's pull them out and see what we got. And there you go, bacon peanut butter rolls. Boom! Get you some of that. Hey Molly, why don't you come check these out? Boom!
Thought we were having a thunderstorm. Heard a lot of boom. All right, what did you make?
They're bacon peanut butter rolls.
Bacon and peanut butter.
Yep.
Skeptical.
Well, don't be, because guess what?
Oh, I happen to recognize this.
It came out of the 500 Tasty Snack Cookbook. Boom!
Stop it with the booming! All right, let's try. These are probably red hot.
So, if you like peanut butter and bacon, you will like this.
I think these are pretty good.
If you don't like one or the other, you definitely will not like it.
Here's the thing. I never would have put peanut butter and bacon together, but I think it works. The peanut butter that we have is an all natural, no sugar, nothing added. I think this would have been better with a sweeter peanut butter, and I'm surprised by that. But it's savory. It's actually savory and nutty. It's actually pretty dang good. I don't think I would eat a ton of these.
No. I mean, personally for me, I don't like them.
I like them. I think I would like them with the sweeter peanut butter. They're crispy. They seem like they would be pretty simple to make.
They are simple. It's bacon and peanut butter.
What an odd treat. I think personally I would make these with this peanut butter that had sugar in it, and I'm really surprised by that. I wouldn't normally put bacon and sugar together, but then you see bacon like appearing on donuts and going with maple syrup, so it kind of does go with it, the salty sweet thing. And right now I'm just getting salty, and I think a sweeter peanut butter would be key.
Well, you guys could try it out. Let us know.
Well, Dan, I think this is a winner with sweet peanut butter.
Yeah. I would definitely like to try it with sweet peanut butter.
I think it'd be really good.
I mean,
I think it's good now. It's
yeah,
just very salty. If you like this content and you want to see more vintage recipes like this bacon roll,
boom,
then make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. I upload new content every Wednesday and Friday, and Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes and making unusual things for your viewing pleasure. So again, subscribe.
Yeah, it really helps us out.
It actually really does. The algorithms.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.